In this video, we're going to show you a couple of examples with some bonus footage on the different options you have for installing underground buried downspout systems. These examples are going to be of different 3-inch kits. Now, 3-inch lines will go over and under irrigation systems, meaning you don't have to make all those modifications. Underground buried downspout systems and automatic sprinkling systems clash, and when you can weave them through one another, you are far better off. Now, in this first example, this is our 3-inch Pro kit, and this is the one for contractors. DIYers can buy this too, but we do have an easy DIY kit that I'm going to show you right after this. This comes with a riser, and it comes with our French Drain Man's Not Quite a 90 fitting that puts us on the automatic slope. It's a really cool system, but in saying that, there's a little bit more to cutting this riser and making sure that everything fits just right. There's an additional stack up right at the house. Now this is complete. This is ready for the pipe to be hooked up and then ran to the inline catch basin. Now let me show you the easy DIY connection. We're going to avoid a couple of different steps by connecting the 3-inch line directly to the leaf filter. We have a special coupler that takes our 4-inch leaf filter to our 3-inch line. You just slip the leaf filter on your downspout. It doesn't matter if it's a 2x3 or a 3x4 or a 4-inch round, and that's it right there. There's your easy DIY Kit 10. This is our Kit 10. The Kit 10 goes together so easy that you really just need a shovel and the kit itself, nothing more. Very user-friendly. Now our Pro kit, this stack up, you do have a benefit to the stack up. It's super easy to get a garden hose through the leaf filter and you push it through the French Drain Man's Not Quite a 90 right to the catch basin. When you run a garden hose through it like that, it chases all the shingle gravel that might be in the line right to the catch basin. We like the catch basin to be really close to the leaf filter. That way you don't contaminate your line. About 3 feet from the house is where we'd like to see our inline catch basin installed.
When attaching two corrugated pipes, always use an external coupler and use good tile tape. Really good, super sticky, super stretchy tile tape. This is an external coupler that's connecting these two corrugated pipes.
This system's now fully installed and it's ready for backfill.
So the way we built this, super easy to clean the leaves out. Take the center out, push your garden hose through. Our French Drain Man, Not Quite a 90. Push your garden hose through with the water on. It'll chase all the shingle gravel right into this catch basin. Keep your line nice and clean. Just do that once a year for a peace of mind. And you only have to check this for leaves, usually in the fall. And then after winter, once you get going in the spring, there's probably a few leaves that have been blown around. And that's it, you're good to go. Very low maintenance. And this is how you build a downspout line to last forever.
You always want to start out as high up at the house as you possibly can so that you can create more slope down to the catch basin. Now this is going to be some bonus footage. We're going underneath a brick paver sidewalk. There's a bunch of base material underneath the brick pavers. We're forced to have to go deep, so we're not going to cut the 12-inch riser at all. This was a situation where we had no choice. The frost was pushing up the old system, and it had lifted all the pavers. We're going to build this with a sleeve. We're going to take a dual wall piece of culvert pipe, and we're going to push our 3-inch Pro kit through that sleeve. We're going to make the connection to our French Drain Man's Not Quite a 90, and we're going to tape it really good. That last part I can't stress enough. If you don't tape these connection points up near the house and you leak water right at the foundation of your home, all this work was for nothing. The men are generously applying really good plumbing tape to those fittings to ensure we have no leaks up near the home. Now, because we started out so deep, we had to run this line even further away. It sloped the entire length of the run, but we had to take it all the way to the far back of the backyard. We pitched it. This kit, this Pro kit, comes with everything but that sleeve. Everything you see here is what the Pro kit comes with. This kit was built for the pros and the advanced DIYers. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until that next video,